Yo, what's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, Super Serious. I'm back in here with another one for y'all. So, today I'm gonna go and wash the car up and hold on, wash the car up and get it ready for my son. He said he wanted to drive today, and we thinking about going to this car meet, but kind of depends on how long the Father's Day dinner go. They're throwing a dinner for us, so it started at 5, I think. I don't know. I might not. But anyway, yeah, man, I'm just trying to get the car cleaned up and let him ride around. Sorry if it's jumping. He want to drive around so he can show off, I guess. I don't know. Y'all know how his kids is. But other than that, I have another video that I'm gonna be dropping. It'll probably be Monday because I want to try to get something done either later on today or maybe it'll probably be all day tomorrow. I ain't sure about that yet. Let's see. Other than that, man, enjoy. Peace. Alright, you guys, let me give y'all look at it while it's all cleaned up and everything. Yes, sir. You see all the colors changing. Yes, sir. Let me step back. I don't know, man. I might go to that car meet. I might. She's too clean. Oh, yeah. You can see it better now. It's the same color. It's now clean lanes. Should be ashamed of myself making that video. This car oh, yeah. Shit happens. What I always say, it is what it is. She cleaned his head today, boy. All the colors flipping. Yeah. She alright. Should've went and put Wax Man on here. This ain't his work or nothing, but he got this stuff that you can use, man, and boy, y'all think it's shining now, man. Wait till I go get some more of that. All the colors. No, don't see them flakes in there, man. Yeah, buddy. It's right. Go over here. Pick the sun up. And ride out. Get a block or two or something. I'm gonna get some rolling footage. I'm gonna drive the other car while he drive this one. Y'all can really see this thing chopping. Yeah. She in there. That's how my head all kind of goddamn guts all over from it. But yeah, man. I cut the camera back on when we doing the rolling footage. Alright. Go ahead. Hold on. Alright, you guys, I decided I'm gonna go to this car meet. My son, he decided he didn't want to go because I wouldn't let him drive his car, so I got my homeboy that's gonna ride with me, man. It's been my ace-boom cone for a real long time, man. This is my dog. He was with me when I was going through a lot of messed up shit. My bad. But anyway, man, I'm gonna cut this camera back on maybe once or twice. Riding down there, it's like a little over an hour away from the house, so yeah, I'm like I said, I'm gonna turn the camera back on and just, you know what I'm saying, we probably just gonna be shooting the shit or whatever, you know what I'm saying, just like homies do. Yeah, man, I'm gonna quit talking, man, let y'all enjoy this video, man. Alright. Laid out. Laid out. You ain't shit. Supposed to be down here chilling with your boy. Your ass over there laid out. Yeah, I got your ass on here. See how your homeboys do you.
Yeah. Parking 1,200 million cars.
That's your excuse. You gonna run with it, huh? There you go. Yeah, there's a few little somethings out here. I just wanted to do this in the car. That much, right? Got an old drop top.
That's right there.
Boy. Got a little old school over there. Yes, yes. I bet they like, man, what is this dude doing? That truck, hilly. All they got out here, man. Get this video so it don't seem like I'm been lying or something, or they didn't come down here. So if any one of y'all see y'all cars on here when I post this, it was me in this car in the Malibu. Yes, sir. Well, you guys, I wasn't too satisfied with that either. But it's a new day, same video. I don't know if I got there too early, too late, or what the case may be. I don't know. But I did try to find out where some more car meets gonna be. And hopefully my next video will be better than that. My next car meet video, my bad. I ain't editing that out. I'm tired of doing that. Anyway, man, if you're just joining in, you're just browsing through, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I got more content coming, guys. That one, I don't know. It was just, I mean, don't get me wrong. For the people that will see this video, y'all had a lot of cars out there. Like I said, I don't know if I was too early or too late, but when I got back home, I went back on Facebook, and I seen where they were saying there was gonna be an after me. I didn't look at my phone until I got home. I would have stayed, or I would have even went to the after me, but I was just like, man, I didn't keep wasting my damn time coming all the way down here, and that's all I had seen. So I didn't even care. I just came on back home. But I got more content coming. I just said that. And I'm gonna be going to more car meets. My bad, y'all. I really just woke up. I ain't go to bed till like almost 3 o'clock this morning. Up
trying to figure out what my next move gonna be. But anyway, man, y'all have a blessed Father Day for all the ones that's out there that watch my channel, and everybody for that matter. Alright, it's your boy Sophie Serious. Out. Peace.